Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story music not working. So first of all, open Instagram. Now I'm showing you three methods step by step, so follow my whole process very carefully. So first of all, open your Play Store, or if you want to using iPhone, then go to App Store. Go to Instagram, check your Instagram updated. My Instagram not update. Click on to update, or go back, open Instagram, click on to profile, tap on to three dot, scroll down, click on to help, and explain all about your problem. And click on to send, and you need to just waiting some hour, then Instagram team automatically solve this problem. Or now I'm provide the third and final solution. You need to first uninstall your Instagram account and then again install your Instagram. I hope you can follow my 3 step, then you can fix this problem. So that's how we can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more videos.